Good morning, children. So, today we are going to learn about adjectives. What is an adjective? A word that describes a noun or a pronoun. So, the adjective it answers for the question what kind, how many, which one, and how much. So, if you use adjective in your writings, it will enrich your writing. Okay? For example, I live in a beautiful house. So, it describes how the house would be. It will be beautiful. Second example, I spend lot of money on my dress. So lot it describes how much. And third example is I have a 10 candies in my pocket. So it describes how many candies were in my pocket. Adjective and its position. Adjectives can be positioned in four places: before a noun, after a linking word, as complement, when two nouns occur together. First, we'll see before a noun. She is wearing a beautiful dress. So, dress is a noun. We are describing how the dress was. It was beautiful. So, beautiful is an adjective. In the same way, the next example is he is a talkative boy in the class. So, boy is an noun. So, it describes how the boy was. He is a talkative boy. Okay. So, the next position is after a linking word. Linking words are am, is, are, was, were, has been, are being, might be. I have given only few examples here. There are a lot of examples for linking word. For example, the signal is low. Is a linking word here and low is an adjective. In the same way, Ben seemed tired. Seemed is an linking word. Tired is an adjective. Now we are going to look at adjective as complement. Complement is an adjective or a noun that is used after a linking verbs and describes the subject of a verb. For example, Mariam felt afraid. So Mariam, it's a subject. Felt, it's a verb. And afraid, it's an adjective and you can say as complement also. The next example, we were shocked by the news. So the shocked, it's an adjective which describes how we felt. Okay, so the next third example would be the little boy was eager for Christmas to arrive. So how did the little boy felt? He was eager. So eager is an adjective which links the verb and describes a subject. The next position is when two nouns occur together. It is to place the adjective before the noun to modify it. To modify the noun, we place the adjective. Then to intended meaning would change. If you change the adjective, the intended meaning would change. For example, the tall man's glass fell on the floor and broke into pieces. Which means the man was tall and his glass, the man had a glass, the tall man had a glass in his hands, so it fell on the floor and broke into pieces. The next example is the man's tall glass fell on the floor and broke into pieces. So the glass was tall. The man had a glass in his hands which was tall. We have completed the adjective and its position. Now we are going to see adjective and its order. So it is nothing but if more than one adjective is placed before a noun, then the order in which they would appear is as follows. So this is the order in which the adjective of order will appear. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and object. So let's see an example. My grandma has a lovely, huge, old, rectangular, brown and black Italian wooden dressing table in her room. Here, the lovely, it signifies the opinion. Huge, it's a size. Old, it's an age. Rectangular, it's a shape. Brown and black, it's a color. Italian, it's an origin. Wooden, it's a material. And dressing table, it's an objective. Can you see the next example? I love that beautiful old big green antique car that always parked at the end of the street. So here we are using beautiful as opinion, old the age, we are not using size here. you're not using shape, you're using size here, sorry. The big, and then green is an color, antique it's origin, car it's an object. The third type of adjective is adjective and its linking. If two adjectives describing colors are used, then and is placed between them. So and it links two words. For example, Gina was wearing a black and red scarf. So and links black and red. In the same way, the next example is it is a black and white photo. So the photo is black and white. So this is the example for linking, adjective of linking. Thank you. Let's see in the next class.